Today we'll talk about how can you change name on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down, then you click here on personal info here, just click on it. So then come to this list, you just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here, and you click here on personal data, and you come to first name and last name here. Then here can you change your first name and your last name. When you down, just click on save changes, then it's going to save video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.